Hello, this is Right Side Trader. Today is June 28th, 2025, and this is my weekly market review, where I'm reviewing the NASDAQ 100, that's QQQ, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading. So please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other, and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right, let's jump over to the charts right quick. Let's take a quick look at one stock. And all that's been driving the Qs, it's it's 100 stocks there, but this one I think is what's really caused things to go crazy. NVIDIA, ever how you want to say it, is NVIDIA. But look at that. Let's just jump back over here to the Qs and let's get on with this review. And let me resize this. Let me maximize this quarterly chart. Maximize. And boy, we closed near the top on the quarterly chart. This thing is gotten over. We made all-time highs this week. So I finally get to say that. We finally got there. I know it was going to happen. And we all knew it was going to happen. But look at here. And on this monthly chart, we're well above the 9-10 moving average. Looking very green. Only 2 more days left in the month. You actually got your confirmation of your morning star here. Your morning star here. So this thing is off to the race if you're not already in the race. All right, let's take a quick look at this weekly chart. On this weekly chart, what we see here is that breaking up that high, a real strong week. We was at support last week. I was wondering what was going to happen. We had been there a couple of weeks and this thing, you never would expect that. Things that was happening, that the market would actually go up. But you never know what's going to happen in the market. That's the whole thing. You just play based on what you see and with your strategies and your indicators and just play it that way. Let's go ahead and go down to the daily chart. Yes, I'm going kind of quick because I'm in a little bit of pain, and I don't want to be sitting here as long as that I have to. As we can see, this is really kind of strange. I'm looking at the 23rd, 24th. This thing ended up gapping up. And that's what we usually need to do to get over these highs and stuff. And we got there. We get it a gap up on Tuesday. I don't know what the news. We know there was things going on, and this thing just kept running again. They always talk about a short squeeze. Any smart short trader would have been out of their trades already. That's the only thing. They might have had more supply and wanted to try to short some more, but they should have done it, the past couple of weeks while this thing was going sideways. And now we see we're at a top, trading at a top. One of the things I'm not as fond of. When we was down here playing the ups and downs, it's really kind of nice when it's in a range like that. But now that it's on its way up, things start getting a little scary, especially with some of the strategies that I use. So that's what I see here. I do still see us going higher, unless something crazy happens. But again, if something crazy happens, does that mean it's going to go down? Based on the way things have been going in this market lately, you just don't know. And that's it. That's all I really want to share this week. This is Right Side Trader. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you next week. Have a good one. Bye.